Hi, good afternoon. My name is Anupam Gambhir. I am from Estate Experts. We are standing inside Sushant Log Phase 3. This is Sector 57. This location is a main road location. This is also connected to the main Hong Kong market, which is nearby in the surroundings of the sector. Today we are on a plot size of 375 square yards, which is a 3-bedroom hall kitchen, a spacious home which also has a study room inside it. Let's get started. This location where we are at, jidhar main bhi khada hu, this is the formal living space of the house. It's quite a huge formal living space that I see. Over the floor I see the all Italian flooring done. When I talk about the ceiling design, this is a square ceiling design given here. Above me you see a fan on the ceiling. These are all LED lights given inside it in the exteriors of the ceiling. Probably this part is considered to be the dining section of the house. This is the formal dining section. Again, you've got the Italian on the surface in the complete hallway. This is a small edgy design which is given on the ceiling, which has a yellow illumination light. Above me you see a ceiling fan. This portion में आप छोटा सा शेल्फ लगा के मंदिर रेनोवेट कर सकते हैं. इधर एक चैनल भी लगा सकते हैं. In fact, you've got fantabulous ideas to place a temple vision out here. On my left, you'll see the air conditioning for the air conditioning system provisioning दिया हुआ. इधर एक split AC आप लगा सकते हैं. This room is also connected to the balcony in the front, which is a huge size balcony. When you see in the surroundings of the house, you've got a play school out there. This balcony is going in a very corner trapezoidal shape. ऊपर में आपका सारा LED लाइट्स लगाई हुई हैं और HPL की शीट्स है. ये आपका स्टील का रेलिंग है, राउंड शेप रेलिंग. This is all toughened glasses. On the flooring of the surface in the balcony area, you've got the granite stone, which has a textured of little reddish color. This is all granite out here. This is a UPVC door and window which is given here. वो आपका एक्सटर्नल AC का जो मशीन लगता है उसको आप हैंग कर सकते हैं वहाँ पर. एक बारी सराउंडिंग्स और दिखा दीजिए प्लीज़. This way we are back inside the hallway region. So probably we will cover the first bedroom of the house now. This is the first bedroom of the house, which is again connected with the different balcony in the front. On the surface you will see the tiling work. Left wall stays empty, right stays empty. This is for your customization. Here is the provisioning for your air conditioning system. Over the ceiling design, it's normal. It's actually, we cannot say it's a square design, but yes, it is more or less a little square which is given on the ceiling. आपका ceiling fan दिया हुआ है ऊपर में. This is your closet. This is also a cabinetry. You've got the small closets out here. Let's get outside to the balcony area. This is a UPVC. This one is a fixed glass, so the natural sunlight will flow inside your home automatically. This is the external AC का ये provisioning है. यहाँ पर आप मशीन लगा सकते हैं AC की. एक्सटर्नल लगेगा यहाँ. सारा का सारा आप देखेंगे यहाँ पर नॉर्मल सरफेस है और ग्रेनाइट का काम है, पत्थर का. यहाँ पर भी रेलिंग में भी स्टील का रेलिंग है, टफ एंड ग्लास है. इधर से एक कॉर्नर का आपको व्यू आता है. ये पार्क है, कॉर्नर का पार्क है. इट्स अ स्मॉल पार्क. This room also has a washroom attached. A beautiful huge size washroom. These are all tiles on the wall and on the surface. You've got the exhaust fan, rain head by QO. This is again sanitary fittings by QO. And this is a granite top running shelf, a wall mounted commode seat. Come inside. Right in front of me you've got a huge Modi guard ka glass, a granite top with the beautiful vanity, which is a stable flat vanity that you've got. These are some of your cabinet storage systems over there as well. So the ceiling design stays simple, surface is all anti-skid. Let's cover up the study room now. This is the study room of the house, a small study room towards the front. Why is this in the front? There is a reason to it, so that your children should get the natural sunlight. This also has a glass fixed window. This has a normal window as well, which has a mesh door, and this is your UPVC. That's the front of your house. On the surface you've got the tiling work, left, right and left wall, and the front wall stays empty for your customization. This is your air conditioning का आपका provisioning दिया हुआ है. So here I am standing in the hallway. This is your study room, this is your first room, that's your balcony, this is your formal living space, this is your dining section. A table for 10 people can easily be placed. Let's get inside the second bedroom now. This is the second bedroom of the house. You've got the tiling on the surface. These are your slider wardrobes that you've got. Ceiling stays square but little edgy. This is a fixed window for natural sunlight to flow in. This is your back side of the home. Back side of the home is connected with the balcony, and the balcony portion stays. It's a long running balcony. इधर में आपका air conditioning का machine लगेगा external का. The balcony is commonly shared with the kitchen. This is your wet area, drainage vessel. You've got the provisioning for the geyser. This is your split AC का machine लगेगा external unit. This is a granite top on the railing part. MS का railing नहीं है, ये metal का railing है पूरा. This is your normal anti-skid tiles on the surface. Here as well there is one more machinery that you can place. The another one would be this way. ये पूरा का पूरा आपका आप देखेंगे ये metal का railing लगा हुआ है. सामने में बैक साइड है, एक बारी बैक साइड का व्यू भी दिखा दीजिए. इधर में भी गीजर का प्रोविजनिंग है. ये बैक साइड में you have a back to back plot. Somebody who's gonna buy it will construct it in the near future. So this is the back side of the house. This second bedroom is also connected with the washroom out here. This is your washroom space. You've got a stable glass. You've got a stable glass out here. This is a huge washroom shared common with the powder room. Sanitary fittings by QO. This is an exhaust fan by Luminous. This is your backside shaft, rain head, a wall mount rain head on the surface, and on the wall you've got the tiling work. This is your granite top, wall mounted commode seat. A beautiful granite top with the vanities, looks beautiful. बहुत ही अच्छी क्वालिटी का QO का ये सैनिटरी फिटिंग्स है, डिसेंट. एंड दिस इज़ अ बाउल शेप वैनिटी. दिस इज़ योर ग्लास. और यहाँ से आप ऐसे देखेंगे इस बेडरूम से, दिस इज़ द पाउडर रूम. ये पाउडर रूम भी है. सो कम इनसाइड द हॉलवे. यहाँ से अगर आप देखेंगे दिस कैन बी यूज्ड एज द पाउडर रूम. नाउ द पर्सन हु स्टेज इन द सेकंड बेडरूम शेयर्स द कॉमन पाउडर रूम विद द गेस्ट. This is the third bedroom of the house. This has a wooden flooring on the surface. Has a warranty of around 10 years. Above me you see a square ceiling design. Above me you also see a ceiling fan, a beautiful fan which has a golden border lining. ऊपर में सीलिंग में देखेंगे येलो कलर का पूरा लाइट है. ये बहुत प्लेजेंट लग रहा है, चुभ नहीं रहा आँखों में. फ्रंट वॉल, लेफ्ट वॉल, राइट वॉल स्टेज एम्प्टी फॉर कस्टमाइजेशन. ऐसे बेड लगा के सामने में कंसोल आप बनवा सकते हैं. दैट्स द प्रोविजनिंग फॉर योर एयर कंडीशनिंग सिस्टम. दिस इज अगेन द सेम balcony that we have viewed before, which you commonly share it with the second and third as well the kitchen. This is your wardrobe. This is your wardrobe. This is your washroom attached with the master bedroom. Surface and the surface पे जो आपके tiling है, it's a normal tile. The walls पे designer tiles दी हुई हैं black color की, which has a white design encrypted. Vanity, you've got a granite top. which has diamond crystals inside this, which is reflecting beautifully well. A bowl shape with diamond cuts vanity which is there, and you've got a Modi guard ka mirror in front of you. Idhar ek LED light lagti to acha rehta. This all sanitary fittings by QO. This is again a rain head by QO. This is your ventilation shaft. You open it if required. This is your exhaust fan by Phenolix. A wall mounted commode seat with a granite top at the back and the placing for the geyser. This also has your cabinets down here. This way you can keep your stuff. So let's cover up the kitchen now. Let's cover up the kitchen now. This is the entrance of the kitchen. You've got a glass inbuilt inside the door. This is a small place where you want to park your refrigerator. Come inside, I'll showcase. चाहे तो आप रेफ्रिजरेटर यहाँ रख सकते हैं, चाहे तो आप इस किचन के अंदर, ये बहुत बड़ा है, रेफ्रिजरेशन का सिस्टम यहाँ भी कर सकते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ थोड़ा सा टफ होगा. उसका रीज़न ये है कि यहाँ पर मैं आपका रनिंग शेल्फ दिया हुआ है. राइट साइड में you've got a placing for a tap and there is a drainage vessel. It's a huge kitchen. This is your sink area. You can rotate this over here and over this way, and this is your washer's vessel. इधर में आप धो के बर्तन यूटेंसिल्स इधर रख सकते हैं. This is your running cabinet. This is again a storage system. This is again a stain-free countertop which has a little diamond crystals. Wall पे आपका tiling work है चारों तरफ. इधर भी tiling है. अच्छा granite top दिया हुआ है. Thick है काफ़ी. Stain-free है. This is your running shelf. This is again your cabinet storage. Just one push. You don't have to do anything. That's it. I mean, I don't have to push this. See, just one. It's just one, so it goes up. That's it. This is your space for the stuff. You can accommodate your materials. This is space for your OTG and oven. To keep your cutlery, to keep your grains, salt, pepper, whatever you're fond of. You also have a chimney by Faber. This is a small ceiling design, a square shape which has a fan above me. You've got an exhaust fan placed there. You've got the garbage box and the stuff to keep your detergents. This is a balcony at the back side, which you share commonly with the second and third bedroom of the house. This also has a space out here. So there is enough storage inside the kitchen. When we talk about the surface of the flooring, this is a grayish color flooring, tiling work done. This was all about the kitchen. Here you can install your air conditioning system. This was all about the 375 square yard plot, which is a huge size plot. And this is a corner property and a road facing property. Don't forget to give us a call if you're willing to visit the site. We'll be more than happy to get your site visit done. And don't forget to give us your thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.